Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Let's look this way, and we're going to look at something called the grounding strap. And the grounding strap on this car is let go. I've never seen that before, but we're going to replace that grounding strap today. And the tools that we're going to need is a simple little ratchet with a 10mm socket. And then we'll need a little extender with a 14mm socket to get the clip off the other end. So we're going to set this up. We're going to take the lower clip off. We're going to break that. There. Okay. We're going to reach in there and we're going to take that right off. We're unscrewing the little 14mm bolt. It seems to be a long one. There's the little bolt right there. Now we're going to take the top of the strap off. The old strap, that is. Feel pretty stiff. And there is that little 10mm bolt right there. There's the little box of the replacement grounding strap that we bought. And this is what it looks like. It's approximately 13 inches long. We're going to go ahead and see if we can secure one end back on here again. There we go. I don't know if you can look right down there, folks. We'll just block the view a little bit while I hand tighten it. Again, the bolt is always a little longer when you're in a hurry trying to get it back in. There, that's snug. Now we're going to put the other one back in here. Oops. That's secure. We're going to change back to the little extension. I don't know if you can see right down in there. If you like what you saw, please press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.